At the end of the driveway, turn right.
Limited visibility at this intersection. Creep up slowly, look both ways. If you can't see, stop and inch up. If clear, go.
At the corner coming up, turn left.
Stop right here. Wheels fully stopped. Stay behind the line. Can't see? Pause, then creep forward a bit to look. No rushing on left turns. Wait for a safe, clean gap, then go.
Pull over to the right and park.
Put your right signal on. Check your mirrors and do a quick blind spot check. Ease over smoothly, line up parallel with the curb, and stop. Keep rolling until the examiner says stop, then come to a complete stop.
You may stop right here.
Aim for about 18 inches from the curb. Keep the car parallel when you stop.
Reverse in a straight line, keeping parallel to the curb.
Walking speed, around 2 miles per hour. Stay straight, parallel to the curb.
Keep backing up. Stop when I tell you to stop.
Look mainly behind you, out the back window. Glance at the right mirror to stay lined up with the curb.
Stop. Pull away and continue straight.
Before you pull back into traffic, check mirrors and the blind spot. You're entering from the side, so you do not have the right of way. Only pull out when it's clear and safe.
Turn left. At the intersection, turn right.
always stop coming up. Brake early, smooth. Full stop at the limit line or before the crosswalk. Hold it, 1, 2, 3. Look left, right, left, then check for pedestrians and bikes.
At the intersection coming up, turn left.
Okay.
We're waiting to turn left here. Stay behind the limit line and keep the wheels straight. Keep scanning for pedestrians and oncoming traffic. Go only on the green arrow or when it's clearly safe and legal. Do not enter if you can't clear the intersection.
At this intersection, turn right.
Treat every red light like a stop sign first. No turn on red sign means right on red is permitted. Full stop at the limit line and check the crosswalks. Yield to traffic, then go only when you have a clean gap.
Lane change, right. At the next main intersection, turn right.
Right turn on red is allowed only after a complete stop, unless a sign says otherwise. Even if the car in front of you just turned, you still need to stop at the limit line and check the crosswalk. Yield to pedestrians, bikes, and traffic, then go only when it's clearly safe. Do not pull up too close. Stop when the rear tires of the car ahead are just visible and keep that spacing. If the car in front creeps forward, you can creep forward too. Just keep the same safe gap.
At the upcoming intersection, turn right.
This cross street has a wide raised median with a pedestrian refuge island. Watch where the pedestrian is. If they have not reached the refuge island yet, and they are not entering your lane, you may turn when it's safe. Once they reach the refuge island and look ready to cross your lane, you wait and yield.
At the upcoming intersection, turn right. Turn left. Turn right into the parking lot. Turn left. Turn right.
Even after you enter the parking lot, you still have to follow the rules. There are 2 easy fail points here. This lot has 2 stop signs, and a lot of students miss one of them. Skip a stop sign and you can fail the test.